Good morning, student. Welcome to e-learning classes. Myself Ashok Kumar, Modern English School, New Area branch. Again, student, lesson 8, triangles, exercise 8. Here, question number 6, student. This is video part 4. Okay. In triangle PQR, if angle P minus angle Q is equal to 42 degree and angle Q minus angle R is equal to 21 degree, find angle P, angle Q and angle R. Solution. Here, student, angle P minus angle Q is equal to 42 degree. Okay. So what is the value of angle P? Angle P is equal to 42. This minus sign will be moved in the right hand side. So we can write here plus Q. Okay. In second case, student, angle Q minus angle R is equal to 21 degree. Here, student, P, the value of P in term of Q. Here the value of R is also the term of Q. The Q value, angle Q, 21 moves here, minus 21 is equal to angle R. Here is two value, angle P and angle R. In triangle PQR, we know the relation angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. Again, student, ASP, angle sum property. Angle P is equal to 42 plus angle Q, first value, plus angle Q as it is, plus angle R. Here, student, angle R is equal to angle Q minus 21 is equal to 180 degree. Angle Q, angle Q, angle Q. We can write 3 times of angle Q because 3 value is angle Q. Here 42 and 21. So plus 42 minus 21 is equal to 21 is equal to 180 degree. Here 3 times of angle Q is equal to 180 minus 21. 180 minus 21. So angle Q is equal to 169. 159. 59, 60, 70, 80. Yes. Angle Q is equal to 159 divided by 3 because 3 value is divided here. 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15 and 3 3s are 9. So here, student, angle Q is equal to 53 degree. One value is calculated here. Angle Q is equal to 53 degree. Put this 53 degree in here and here. You will calculate P and Q. Okay. So angle P is equal to 42 plus 53. So angle P is equal to 95 degree. Angle R is equal to angle Q minus 21. So angle Q is 53 degree. 53 degree minus 21. So angle R is equal to 32. So here, student, 3 value. Angle Q is 53 degree. This is the first value. Angle P is 95 degree and angle R is 32 degree. This is your final answer. Okay, student, I hope you will understand this question. The next question is question number 3. In triangle ABC, if 3 times of angle A is equal to 4 times of angle B is equal to 6 times of angle C is equal to X, let, because all value means angle A, angle B and angle C is equivalent to the one variable. That variable is X. So angle A is equal to X by 3. Again, because 3 is divided here, again this value is equivalent to this value, so we can write here angle B is equal to x by 4 as it is, and again this value is equivalent to this value, so we can write angle C is equal to x by 6. Here student, triangle ABC, that means triangle is given here, so we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Again same concept, ASP, angle sum property. Angle A is equal to x by 3 plus angle B is equal to x by 4 plus angle C is equal to x by 6 is equal to 180 degree. 6 is the LCM, 3 divided here, sorry, here the LCM is 12, here the LCM is 12, 3 4 ja 12, that means 4x plus 4 3 ja 3x plus 6 2 ja 2x, 2 will be multiplied, numerator is equal to 180 degree. Cross multiplication here, multiply, 9x is equal to 180 into 12. So finally we can write here x is equal to 180 into 12 divided by 9. So 9 2 is 12. Here the value is 20 degree. So x is equal to 20 into 12, 240. So the value of x is 240 degree. Here student, angle A. Angle A is equal to x by 3. X by 3. X is equal to 240 divided by 3. 80 degree. So finally angle A is equal to 80 degree. Angle B is equal to x by 4. 240 divided by 4. 60 degree. So angle B is equal to 60 degree. And finally angle C is equal to x by 6. So 240 divided by 6. 40 degree. They are the 40 degree. So the sum of angle A, angle B and angle C is 180 degree. Calculate here. 80 and 60 is equal to 140. 140 and 40 is equal to 180. That means your answer is absolutely right. Okay. So don't see the answer. Direct you can calculate here. Your answer is right. Okay student. I hope you will understand question number 3. The next question is question number 9. Of the 3 angle of a triangle, one is twice the smallest and another one is thrice the smallest. Here student, first of all, let the smallest angle be x. Let the smallest angle be x. So one angle be 2x, because one is twice. Twice means 2 times. Twice the smallest. So one angle is 2x and another angle be thrice. That means 3x. In a diagram, student, take any one angle. Take any one angle x, another angle is 2x and the another angle is 3x, because 2x and 3x is the relation between x. Okay, the smallest angle. According to question, x plus 2x plus 3x, that means we can write here angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree by ASP, angle sum property. So angle A is equal to x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 180 degree. X plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 180 degree. So 6x is equal to 180 degree. Here x is equal to 180 divided by 6, 30 degree. The value of x is equal to 30 degree. here the value of x is equal to 30 degree, here 2x. So 2x is equal to 2 into 30 is equal to 60 degree. 3x is equal to 3 into 30 is equal to 90 degree. So your answer is, student, 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, student. I hope, student, this question is very easy. You will understand question number 9 also. The next question is question number 7. The sum of two angles of a triangle is 116 degree. So here, student, angle A plus angle B is equal to 116 degree, and their difference that means angle A minus angle B is equal to 24 degree. So calculate here angle plus B and minus B. Plus B and minus B is cancelled. Angle A plus angle A, 2 times of angle A is equal to, calculate here, 6, 4, 10, carry 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 140 degree. So 2 times of angle A is equal to 140 degree. So angle A is equal to 140 degree divided by 2. So here, student, 70 degree. So angle A is equal to 70 degree. Okay, we know that angle A plus angle B is equal to 116. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 116. Angle A is 70 degree plus angle B is equal to 116. So angle B is equal to 116 minus 70 degree. So calculate here, angle B is equal to 46. Angle B is equal to 46 degree. So angle A is equal to 70 degree, angle B is equal to 46 degree. We know that here, student, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. By ASP, angle A is 70 degree plus angle B is 46 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. (116) plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So angle C is equal to 180 minus 116. So angle C is equal to 64 degree. So here, student, we have 3 value: angle A 70 degree, angle B 46 degree and angle C is 64 degree. Okay, student, I hope, student, you will understand this question. Your homework is make exercise 8. Make exercise 8 question number 1 to 10. Make exercise 8 question number 1 to 10. If you have any query, if you have any question, if you have any doubt, ask the question. Okay, student, thank you.